You are looking at the 2021 Palomino River Ranch fifth wheel 390 RL. It's the latest and greatest RV to hit the market, and they literally just got it in stock. I'm so excited to be here with Brett Parris of Parris RV. What's new about this model?
Yeah, thanks for having us. You know, this is just the very latest and greatest fifth wheel. And you know, I've sold RVs for 30 years, and this one truly is different. And what's different about it is they took the air conditioners off the roof and put them in the underbelly. So it's got a 2-ton residential style air conditioning system in the basement, which is really like a house would have. It utilizes the floor vents for heat and air. Instead of having roof airs on the roof, now we're able to increase the inside of it, have a 7-foot ceiling, and bring the overall body up, which does two things for us. Number one, it gives us a complete flat floor across the entire thing. No more stairs in a fifth wheel.
All one level.
All one level. No more stairs like all other traditional fifth wheels. The other thing it did is it gave us this incredible storage, which is just absolutely amazing. Meet my Lauren, my daughter Lauren. She's in here to help us show the size. Does the beautiful girl
come with the RV?
No, I'm going to keep her with me.
I think that's a good idea. She's a doll face.
She is.
Look at that storage space, though. Seriously, Brett, that is more storage than I have at my house.
You know, it's absolutely amazing how much storage. There's actually like 460-something square feet of storage, which is three times what a traditional fifth wheel would have. You know, a traditional one would have like 160. So, you know, triple the amount of storage.
I love this. Again, you said because of this new model and the way they've designed it, everything is all one level. Once you get in here, this is luxury living.
You know,
this is stunning and so easy to navigate and manage. We're going to come back to this living space, but I have to get back here because I've never seen a bathroom like this in my life, let alone in a fifth wheel.
Right, yeah.
This is incredible.
Yeah, residential style living. You know, this is made to go year round, made to, you know, maybe hit the road and live in this and have like a portable condo, really. It's got 2 sinks, residential, huge shower with a seat. Just absolutely amazing. And of course, the bedroom is the same way. It's got a king bed.
King bed right here. Wow.
Yep, king bed.
Which, by the way, is super soft.
You've got dual fireplaces. So you got a fireplace here in your bedroom.
Wait, Brett, what are you doing?
I'm putting the TV up.
What?
The nice thing about
this, a flat
this,
screen comes out of the countertop.
Yeah,
oh my God.
You know what's nice about this is a lot of times you just want to have your windows,
right?
You want to have windows, you want to have big open area, but you also want to watch TV. So you've got 2 huge 50-inch TVs in this. One here, one down in the living room with the theater seats.
And then I want to put it back down, and what is this? Just a button. Oh my gosh, it's that easy.
Fireplace here. You've got washer dryer hookups here.
Washer dryer,
it's got
huge
a
closet.
Yeah, walk-in closet with shoe storage, king-size bed, absolutely amazing.
So cozy, like made of bamboo, softest. I want this in my room.
You've got 2 ceiling fans, one here, one in the main area.
You can access the bathroom from the bedroom, but we have to walk back out here too and talk a little bit about the kitchen because, I mean, it's amazing. This fridge, the appliances, the space, another plasma. Is this another fireplace as well?
Second fireplace, second 50-inch TV. You've got super high-end sound system. You've got a great big island that is absolutely amazing. These pop up to give you a charging station. You know,
cutting boards, your full sink,
farm-style sink, residential sprayer, residential appliances, the very largest gas electric refrigerator you can get. Great big pantry, which is really nice.
Oh my gosh, you have a pantry in here too.
You know, this is really made to go year-round. Take your family, take your spouse, whatever you want to do. Maybe head south for the winter. You know, as it gets cold up here in northern Utah, maybe head to St. George or
so I have
something
to ask
like that.
You, Brett, are you seeing right now in the industry that while people really haven't been traveling like across seas because of the virus, more and more are wanting to take measures into their own hands and go with their own families, places through an RV?
You know, RVs have always been like super popular. Obviously, we live in Utah and we have a lot of families. There's nothing better than taking your family in an RV. You know, we have so many treasures right in our backyard. We have, 5 national parks?
Yes, we have
7
Zions,
national
we have
monuments,
Arches, we have
44 state parks. I mean, our state and the West is just loaded with all kinds of fun. And you know, an RV is a great way to take your family and go experience it and go see it.
We were just talking about it earlier on in this show, Mariah Carey doing the exact same thing with her family in an RV just like this. I would argue this is probably about as luxurious as hers was.
There's really nothing
and
like
went through
this.
Utah, took a trip through Utah with our kids.
Yeah,
we are
great.
in the best position to be able to take advantage of Parris RV and the latest and greatest. If you guys want to see this for yourselves, and you do, because in person it is so amazing, go to Parris RV. You have 2 locations.
We do. We have 2 locations right in Murray on State Street. This one's at our North Murray location, which is 4360 South State, or just shop online.
And
at
you said there's only a
ParrisRV.com.
handful of these in the whole world right now.
Only a handful of these out in the world. We were lucky enough to get one of the first ones.
Oh, it's going to be amazing. I love that you guys are right on the cutting edge. ParrisRV.com. Everyone will link you to all the information. Nish, what do you think? Does luxury look good on me?
I think if Mariah can do it, so can you, Allie. Wow, it's jaw-dropping fabulous. Also coming up on the show, do you want dessert coming to your door? Yes. We'll show you weekly service for ice cream bars, ice cream sandwiches, and cinnamon rolls. Then, this made my weekend, the hilarious Saturday Night Live skit that captures the reality of Christmas for moms. G2 Live, right back after this.